Hello everybody, this is Coley D and welcome to Coley D Vlogs. As you see,
and Skip.
Good gosh almighty, look at this.
Yes, sir.
We're not playing. It is.
Look at it, ladies and gentlemen.
It is a blizzard out here.
It is approximately 1:36. It is Thursday. No, I'm sorry. It's Tuesday afternoon.
No, Wednesday afternoon, bro.
I'm sorry. It's Wednesday afternoon. Excuse my tardiness. It's Wednesday afternoon. It's 1:36 p.m. and the snow just started about 20 minutes ago on this side of town in North Durham, and look at it already.
Yeah, look at it.
Like, it looks like a blizzard out here. The last time it snowed, which was about approximately a week and a half ago, it did not look this bad.
No,
and it didn't fall this quick.
But this is one of the reasons why we out here. This is not the only reason why we out here. I find it amazing, but this is not the only reason why we're out here. Last time when it snowed, we wanted to do a snowball test. Yeah, the very popular one that that's supposed to be fake snow. But we got a snowball right here. Yeah, we got a snowball right here, and Skip is about to try to light it up right in front of your eyes. So let's see if this is actually fake.
Browning lighter, best lighter on the market. Let's see what happens, ladies and gentlemen.
Does it got in here?
Oh, gotta go to the backup lighter. Hold on, baby. We filming. Hold on.
Hey, hang on, we gotta get a we got old school lighter. Yeah,
yellow school bus.
Big. Oh yeah, here we go. Now if it melts, it's real.
Oh man!
Oh, do you see this?
Why is the snowball black?
Yeah, and it's not melting, y'all. Y'all see that?
This makes you wonder.
And believe me, it's cold as crap out here. But why is the snowball not melting? Why is the snowball not melting? Look.
Yes.
Yep, the snowball did not melt.
The snowball did not melt.
So guess what?
This is applied fire. As you can see, it is not melting.
Yeah, so guess what, y'all?
And the snowball is not even obtaining any heat. All it did was black it, as you can see close up.
Mm-hmm.
So, that makes you wonder, is this really snow or something of the unknown? To be continued.
Yeah. Hello, this is Coley D. We had another Coley D vlog, and I'm with my counterpart Skip, who is currently playing in the snow.
Damn. Hey, camera! We're in the snow.
Hey, we're not kidding.
And it's deep. It's 10 feet deep.
Well, we're not exaggerating that much.
Oh,
it's probably
man.
It's probably 3.5 inches, maybe more, out here.
We're out here,
and we're going on a rescue mission. We can't say exactly why we out here, where we going.
Ladies and gentlemen,
this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like when it is a blizzard
in Durham.
Oh. And mind you, we're in phase 1. This is how it is out here. Just look at this mess. Well, a beautiful mess.
Beautiful. Lovely.
It's beautiful because God made this. But this is only phase 1, people. Phase 2 is gonna kick in sometime later tonight when this ice starts to come in. So yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned for the snow.
Yeah, like this is Call of Duty or something. Hey. Oh, and speaking of Call of Duty, will you think this will make a great Call of Duty board? I mean, just damn, I get all far out there.
Picture.
Look at that.
Battle of the Bulge, 1944, Red River Ride. It's bloody out here. Here's the Germans. Hit the deck. Woo!
This nigga is wildin'. Oh snap! But yeah, we're gonna keep updating you all day on this beautiful scenery out here. Oh yeah, this will make a great Call of Duty board. Look at this. You gamers out here, wouldn't you agree? Look, 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 look. Bow! Oh hell nah. You know not. You know not. Alright y'all, see y'all later. Peace.